marbles and their intricate design patterns do not fail to grab everyone's attention. Today we're going to take you to a cave made of marble. Capilas de Marmol, or the Marble Cave, is located in the Lake of General Carrera in Chile. Its breathtaking beauty and Instagram-perfect looks attract many visitors 24/7. 6,000 years of waves washing up against calcium carbonate has decomposed its walls to create these stunning cathedral-shaped caves. Reflection of the Lake General Carrera's azure waters is the reason behind the twirling blues of Marble Cave's walls. The only way to experience these caves is to hire a boat or kayak, since it's best to experience from water rather than being looked at by a shore. This attraction is one of the most isolated natural treasures of the world. The cathedral, the chapel, and the cave are the three formations that make this natural wonder that will leave you breathless. This is one of the best examples where Mother Nature has outdone herself. The walls of these caves consist of various colors ranging from white to gray to blue and also include an odd pink tint. The General Carrera Lake water comes from the nearby glaciers that bring lots of mineral sediments into this lake. On a bright day when sunlight reflects off from the water, the minerals in this lake change color, making it look super blue. In early spring, the shallow waters are turquoise and create a crystalline shimmer against the cave's swirling walls. Come summer, the water levels increase and create a deep blue hue which gives the cave a unique unearthly shade. They have estimated the total weight of the marble caves combined would be 5.5 billion tons. Spectacular though they are, it's best to visit the marble caves when it's bright and sunny so the reflection of water will be at its best. So if you're planning on going there, we suggest you go in December and February. If you already have seen and experienced this wonder, don't forget to share your experience in the comments section below.